it's Shelby and welcome back to another video. I literally just came back from the gym. I'm lying, I came back from the gym like half hour ago, but I decided to cool down and then I took a shower. And I'm at the shower, I got my robe on as y'all could see. And two of my favorite scents are obviously the ones that I just showed you, but I really like this one. The Floral Violet, as you can see, I think I'm like halfway or a little more than half, but because I use those two together, that's why it's not done yet. I really like this because I think it's a dupe of the Marc Jacobs Daisy. I actually have the Marc Jacobs Daisy, but why use that when I can use this? You know, I can use this and actually re-up on this for only $29.99. And as for the Daisy sheen, I probably have to spend like, I don't even remember how much, but I'm not trying to spend that right now when I can have something that smells the exact same. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just use this and use the other one, and I give a nice little floral scent, especially the mix of both of them is really nice. But yeah, as I said, it's only $29.99, so you really don't need to be spending $100 or more on perfume to smell good. You don't know me already, cheap and clean. I'm always saying this. So if you're not with it, get with it. And when you get with it, make sure you use my code AndImShelby10 so you can get 10% off your order. And if you actually don't like the smell, you can send it back. There's free returns and free exchanges and all of that if you don't like it. I don't see why you wouldn't like it though, but just in case you're one of the weird ones that don't like it, there's that option. So yeah, thank you for Dossier for sponsoring this part of the video, and let's just get on into it. Okay, see you guys at the end of the video. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to the channel. And tonight, judge, I'm feel like I wear this hat. I'm not wear it. Young man say him don't want to see me in this hat, but I can't find none of my hats, so I'm wearing this one that I got at Real. I have to go custom ball and whatever. I don't care. I really don't care. I just want a hat to wear. This is the hat. If you don't want to be seen with me in public with the hat, whatever. I am going to make a quick run to TGI. It is like after 8. I wanted to go to Top Bar, but nobody not really ready with me right now, so I'm just going by myself. Well, not Top Bar, I'm going to TGI. I'm a little more familiar with TGI to go by myself. Kind of don't want to go to Top Bar by myself, so yeah, I'm gonna order me a quesadilla and have a little drink and I'll be fine. It is what it is. So my cab is a minute away, so I'm just gonna go. The fit is not fitting. The fit ain't really crazy or anything like that. I don't really care, honestly. Really don't care. So just gonna grab my, what do you call this, lip balm, because I can't find my lip gloss, and that is very traumatizing to me. Yeah, and we're gonna go downstairs. So see y'all at TGI. So guys, let me do this real quick. Tonight is New Rules, and that's where I'm getting ready to go. If y'all didn't watch the video with this is a wig. Yes, this is a braided wig, so go watch that video. But yeah, the girl decided to wear some braces and I'm up. It's so cute. But I can't really do the chatting, and I don't really think I'm going to record much right now because I kind of want to vlog a little bit. I know the battery dead, but you know, might as well try. So I'm gonna come back when I'm all done up. Let's say the battery left. I'm not an extra battery. So see you in a second. So guys, I never got to show you the fit, but this is the fit. Show them my fit. Never mind.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video. I haven't said that in so long. So today is the Masaruka, and none of the man don't want to try. Everybody just walk up and don't.
Fully don't.
So we got a boy to bring us, and they have complimentary food and drinks. Exhibit A. Watch the telling. 4 of us are here. We have 2 more to go. It is now 2:37. By the grace of God, we'll get there by 3. Okay?
Grace of mud.
Yes, the grace of God. Yes. That's how the day I come. I had to coordinate. So I look good for my eye. You see that? What color that? What color? Blue.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a G Don't Care production. The princess is here. See, this beat is
automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through. I know that you're drunk. Tell me what.
So guys, I am trying to go to Fitness Chunky. Right now I'm trying to find where it is. Main design.
You know you're nasty. Move around at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women.
Guys, I did not know that it would be this big. Because my ex Shakira, and she said she bought the little one for like $4 or $5, and she said it did end up expiring on her because she never used it or something like that. So I messaged Fitness Junkie and I asked them how much for it, and them say $12.5, and I'm like, it must be the big one. So I'm gonna ask them if them have a smaller size, and them never answer me. So I came here and I've seen that this is the only size they have. Brother, by the time we're done with this, I have to tick like a coach. Have to. And like I asked him if it easy for expire, and he said no, the expiration date is on it. So, and the expiration date says 2024. So I'm gonna have this for a very long time, and I just hope I stay consistent because I'm spending all this money on gym. I'm actually putting in effort this time. The last time when I told you guys I was going to the gym, I wasn't paying for no membership or anything like that. Now I feel like I'm more obligated because I'm spending my money on gym and trainer and equipment and outfit, because I'm gonna have to buy some more stuff. Thank God OIS Sports is sent me stuff the last time, but I'm gonna need some more because this is not enough. Yeah, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. It is now 12:19. I am late. It was my fault because I was not feeling it this morning. I just wasn't feeling it because I was upset, you know, I was in my feelings, and I decided, you know, that's one thing with me. So when I'm upset, everything just gets and I don't want to do anything. But today, you know, I had a slight change of heart and I said I'm going to, you know, go. So I'm gonna go. Better late than never. And I also have a nail appointment today, so literally right after my nail appointment, right after the gym, I'm gonna have to go to the nail tech. Some African nail tech like this. That's not cute enough, but at least my nails will be done, right? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna film some more when I get to the gym because I want to get some B-roll and my battery's dying. So bye. much footage at the gym today, and I feel like I'm gonna have to talk to you guys when I come out of here because of the music. But yeah, workout is done. It's in my taxi reach. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Seashells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So it is the next day. Is it the next day? It is not the next day. I think it's probably like 2 days after I got my nails done. I am going to go to the lash tech today. I was supposed to go yesterday, but I'm gonna go today. I'm not wear this for my head, don't worry. I'm just trying to set the whatever I have going on. I need to bleach my hair again. That is what I should have done today. I'm done. I wanted to bleach my hair before I did my lashes because I know I'm going to have to wash my hair, and I know the water might run down in my face, and I didn't want to get my lashes wet. Darn it. It's too late for that now because it is now 2:25 and I need to get there by 3. So what I want to do, to be honest, I want to call a taxi from now and be on my way. So yeah, so I don't be late because last time I went, I believe I was a little bit late, and you know I don't like being late. So I rearranged my room. It is a mess right now. I don't know how it is a mess. I will just rearrange it. But I was tired. Like I was so tired of just fixing up things and putting things away. So some things I need to like put away. But yeah, just know that my mirror is over here and my bed is here. If you know, my dresser used to be right here, but I put the bed here instead, and the dresser, the over the sun now, and I have this big abundance of light in my room now. So yeah, better lighting and more breeze. That I cannot believe how in here cool right now. This big bedded was blocking out the breeze. So yeah, we're gonna get a cab now. I'm gonna take off this when the taxi comes, to be honest. I want to take it off now because I don't like how it looks on my hair right now. It's giving real ratchet, real ghetto. But I'm not going to do that. Yeah. Not my... I want y'all to see this text. Not my lash tech telling me that the light gone. Well, I guess we won't be doing lashes today. Wow. I can't believe. Is that good thing we never got a taxi now? I literally sent her a text earlier today and I said we might have to do this on Monday. I'ma unsend it because may I say I didn't want to be unprofessional and cancel last minute, so may I try go. Oh my god. Well, I have a video to do with Chad, so I think I might go do that. And then she said I can come get my lashes done tomorrow, but I really don't want to go up on a Sunday still. So I told her either tomorrow or Monday is fine. Either one is fine with me, to be honest, but I'm glad I don't have to go today. God's timing is always right. So this is what my hair is looking like. I don't remember if I showed you guys, but yeah, as I said, I'm not going to the nail tech today. I'll go tomorrow or Monday. Guys, this is the mascara. Look how big it is, bro. This is huge. What the heck? Yeah, my storage was just full, but this thing is huge as hell, and on it says there's 15 servings, right? And you're not gonna look on this big thing and say 15 servings. That don't make no sense. So I'm looking to see how many scoops of whatever I should have in my shakes, and it says like about 2 scoops. So I'm like, all right, me go with my little beanie spoon, have my little shake. And then today when I was looking at it, and I'm like, why didn't this thing come with a scoop? So I'm like, I was taking up some with my little beanie spoon, and I felt something, and I'm like, oh, here's the scoop. People, let me show you the scoop, because I don't want to exaggerate. I don't want to exaggerate. This is a scoop. I should be having 2 of these in my smoothies. Meanwhile, I was having like 2 tablespoons. That was the funniest thing ever. Like, now I understand why it says 15 servings, because I'm like, how can it be 15 servings alone? That no make no sense, but I get it now, and I think that's how it's gonna work. So we're gonna see how it's gonna go. I'm tired. At least my body not so drained like it was like 2 or 3 days ago. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything much for the rest of the day. Still might do that video with Chad. Not sure yet, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. So yeah, if anything, I don't know, I'll see you again when there's something exciting going on. Yeah. Baby, you're mara tired. You're mara tired bad. You know it?
That hurt my feelings.
It is, I don't know how many days after, to be very honest, you know, I don't really know, but we're gonna talk about a couple things later. I'm going to the gym today. I think I'll go probably like 12, but I really want to bleach my hair. I've been wanting to do it. Today's the day. That's why I have on this dress. I think you know me by now, like whenever you see me with this dress on, I'm going to dye my hair. I'm going to bleach my hair because this is the only dress I want to ruin in this process. So I'm just going to comb it out. Oh, it's actually not that bad to comb out. And another reason why I've been like holding out on bleaching my hair was because my head has been super itchy. And when I tell you I'm a scratch, I didn't want to risk getting any like burns when I actually bleach it, because people are terrible, man. I'm not lying. And right now it's really tender. It's been tender for the past, I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on, but yeah, we're just gonna do this. I think it's grown up enough now. Hello. And yes, I know my arm want shave and something there. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that when I take a shower. Okay. I was supposed to get my lashes done. I don't know. Yeah. The reason why I didn't get them done is because of this very reason. I didn't want to get them done and then know I have my hair to bleach. So I did not do that. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to the bathroom and we're gonna, this is the comb that I use to bleach my hair. So I'm going to go to the bathroom. We're gonna get this show on the road. I'm gonna even wash my face. I have nothing on me. Don't wash my face, don't brush my teeth. I am not recording on my camera because I can't find the charger. I cannot find the charger, so we just have to do what we have to do. Yeah, we just have to do what we have to do. So I'm gonna just, like, to be honest, I'm going to time lapse this because my camera did the chatting. So I'll see you guys when I have all this in my head.
So this is all of my head done. I'm going to leave this for an hour, probably an hour and 45 minutes. Or whenever I start filming, to be honest. I hope everything catch, like, really and truly, because I can't tell. I don't know. I'm going to think about what I want for breakfast, because I really need to eat something today and then go to the gym, because I haven't gotten a solid meal plan in, and it's driving me nuts.
I washed out my hair and everything. It is finally at a color that I can, that I like. I don't know if I can like show you. See? I actually had 3 eggs. I made an omelet. I had 3 eggs and I had turkey bacon on the side, and that's what I had. Later on I'll make my protein shake and show you guys. When I come back from the gym, I'll do that, to be very honest. I would do it now, but I can't better. So I'll do that a little bit later. Right now I'm just going to take a shower and hopefully we can reach gym by 12 o'clock, so I can come back home by 1. Yeah, I can't do the late thing today, and I couldn't go in early today. I can't bother.
So guys, this is what my hair is looking like. I need to go back in with another layer of bleach because the roots are still a little bit too yellow for my liking. I'm not really feeling that, but the overall color, the mixture of the two, is really not that bad. Like, it's really not that bad. So really and truly, I just need my lashes done. I need to fix up my eyebrows. They may need to fix. I'm gonna tell them about them, right? Proper done. I tell you about this. So what had happened was, a couple of days after I got them done, because I believe that this is the week after I got them done, or probably at this point, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's a week after. But anyways, yeah, I got them done, and I don't remember the day when we did them. Right before I was finished, I called my taxi to come for me, and the taxi reached before we actually did finish, so we were like hurrying up to dry it and whatever, and I don't think it dried properly. So when I came home, it was fine, but like 2 days after, I realized that the polish, this one was black, right? These two were black, and I realized the polish was peeling or it was lifting, so I was like, Jano, need to go get that fixed. So then something else happened in the bathroom, where you adjust the pressure of the shower head. So I was trying to adjust that, and it was too tight, and my finger slipped, and the fingernail broke. Let me tell you that it was the worst pain ever. So count with me, that's a 2-finger gone, right? Then I don't know if I lick up the other one, and it started lift. So I said, okay. She said I can come back and get them fixed. So I went to get them fixed, but she had another client at the time, and I just said, I'm not gonna rush you or let you rush that client, so I'm just gonna go home and come back another day. Me with 3 or 4 finger, not 4 finger, and it was these 4, I believe, or 3, whatever. Them done are done, them 3 are done. And I was just like, what? I don't really have the time to go back to the nail tech. And furthermore, because of this one where it pop off into the shower, like my nail tore. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna do nails, because I'm just sad. Like, I'm very, very sad. And I decided, I'm just gonna pop them off. So that's what I did. Like, I just sit down and bite them off. And this is the standing stole job. This one was a little bit harder to come off than the rest. That's why it's not off yet. But I feel like I'm going to finish what I started and take this off. I don't think I even told you guys. So what I'm recording on right now is my iPad, because my birthday was July 31st. Y'all already saw my birthday vlog. And my booby got me an iPad because he heard me talking about it all the time, that I really want an iPad so I can draw. And I always told myself that I would save up and buy it, but then like there was this thing of me like, I want somebody to come down and bring it down because I'm not paying customs for this. And then it just never happened, but it was on my list to do. It was one of my top things to do for myself, because I didn't want to ask anybody to buy it. I wanted to get it myself. And he got it for me, and I was so happy. I was really, really happy. Like, the best thing ever. I'm on this thing every day. Like, as soon as it came and as soon as he gave it to me, I went on Amazon to get me a stylus and a case. So you know, I'm gonna insert the clip of me when I got that. So yeah, I got that, and one of my friends got me a cute slippers because I had posted on my story like a birthday list. I don't really do that stuff because I don't really like when people buy things for me, but my friends were pressuring me. And you know, I had a sandwich maker, rice cooker, a heels size 8, so you know I'm gonna really fussy. A Bridget's, a the rose one, or the Betty. I didn't even put the iPad on it. I did put a Polaroid on it, but yeah, I'm not really fussy. I did put a sandals as well. As I say, I'm not really fussy. And my friend that lives overseas now, she got me a sandwich maker. You know, she bought it and she sent it down. I'm really grateful because y'all know I hate birthdays and I hate all that stuff. God know my art. So I want to put this on for the video, you know, because I'm half naked. So in August, I decided that I wanted to do a reset because all of July I've been partying. I was on live this morning, like telling some of you guys this, but for those who never up on the live, I am tired of going out. I think I'm telling you this, and I'm a visual diaries as well. So July for me was like my last month of the bag of partying. I did a lot, burnt out. And I just decided to say, listen, may I waste my clothes, may I waste my money, may I waste my time. And every time I go to one of these parties, I'm annoyed, I'm disappointed, and I don't want to go back. So if it's not a brunch, if it's not some dinner, if it's not an adventure, do not call my phone, don't invite me. When I already know some of my neighbors drink cut down at TGI, and I don't even like going there anymore. I haven't been going there. And I also told myself that I was going to cut down on the drinking, which I'm actually proud of myself. And I know it's working simply because the other day I finally went back to TGI because I haven't been there in a very long time. And I went and I had one drink. I know it wasn't a blue juice, it was not a Musgrave. And when I tell you I came back home and I vomited my entire intestines out. Like, can I believe that one little drink messed me up so bad? So yeah, I'm gonna stick to my little daiquiris, my little amaretto sour, them something there, because we can't manage them something. Can't manage it. I think those are all the updates I have. Anything else is actually gonna go in the next video because I feel like this video is long enough, to be very honest, and I wanna post it today. So I'm gonna just transfer this to my laptop and get to editing this part because everything else is edited, and then I'm gonna post it. Hopefully it goes by 6 o'clock. I don't know, you know, I hope so. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.